Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Here we have an interesting functional equations where we have to find f of x only. Given f square of x multiplied by f of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equals x squared. You can pause this video and give it a try in the next 5 seconds. So let's see how we can solve this problem in a very easy and a beautiful way. Let's start with solution first. So from this problem, we have f squared of x multiplied by f of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equals x squared. Here we are going to apply the substitution method as from here, which is 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Suppose I let 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x to be equals another letter. If I choose t for instance, then I want to make x the subject of the formula here. If this is divided by 1, then we have to cross multiply. By cross multiplying here, we have 1 plus x multiplied by t equals 1 minus x. So after having 1 minus x, let's expand this out. 1 multiplied by t, that is t plus x multiplied by t, we have it as xt equals 1 minus x. Then let's add x to both sides. We have addition of x here, and also this is addition of x. So minus x plus x cancelled, and we have this as x plus xt, and here is plus t equals 1. Then here is x plus xt. Let's factor out x. By taking out x from here, we are left with, if we divide this one by x, we have 1 plus, divide this one by x, that is t. Then plus t equals 1. After having this, let's take t to other side. We have x into bracket of 1 plus t equals 1 minus t. Then we divide both sides by 1 plus t, so that we have x equals 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t. So since we have make x the subject of the formula, then we are going to resubstitute back into the given functions, as we have f squared of, so instead of x, we change everything to 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t multiplied by f of, so 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x, we just write it as t equals x squared is now becoming 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t raised to power of 2. So this is what we have, and at this point we are going to have, let's replace t with x. We have f squared of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x multiplied by f of x equals 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x all raised to power of 2. If I call this one equation 1, then, so from what we have here, let's try and recall from the first given equations, which is f squared of x multiplied by f of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equals x squared. Suppose I square both sides. If I squared both sides, that is, I take the square of this and I also take the square of this. This equation becomes, by law of indices, if we have ab raised to power of 2, this gives us a squared b squared. So by applying this rule here, we are going to have f raised to power of 4 of x multiplied by f raised to power of 2 of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. So this equals x raised to power of 4. If I name this as equation 2, then from these two different equations that we have, if I divide this equation by each other, suppose I say let's divide equation 2 by equation 1. Therefore, we are going to have f raised to power of 4 of x multiplied by f raised to power 2 of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equals x raised to power of 4. Then divided by f raised to power of 2 of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x, which is our equation 1, multiplied by f of x. So this one also divide by what we have there, which is 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x all raised to power of 2. But we can see something here that we have f squared bracket 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x, and we have the same thing here at the denominator. If we cancel this and this, and also this is f raised to power 4 of x, and this one is f of x. So this one cancel one of this, and this one remain f raised to power of 3. And looking at this side, nothing cancelled here. Therefore, we are going to have f raised to power of 3 of x equals, before I finish everything here, let's say I call this one 1 divided by open bracket 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x raised to power 2, then multiply by x raised to power of 4. This is still the same thing. And for everything we have here, by taking the reciprocal of it, we have f raised to power 3 of x equals 1 plus x will come up, then divided by 1 minus x, and all raised to power of 2 multiplied by x raised to power of 4. And to get f of x only, the final thing we are going to do here, have you guessed? Yes, I hope you might have guessed by now that we have to take the cube root of both sides. So by taking the cube root of both sides, we have f of x equals, so here is the cube root of, write everything here, which is 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x raised to power of 2 multiplied by x raised to power of 4. Nothing cancelled here because here is cube root. Here is the final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching, and if you have another method of solving this different from this, we can drop it in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.